Hey, did you know that the same hormone that helps you fall asleep also helps repair your skin? Well, millions of Americans use melatonin daily as a sleep aid because it is far safer and less addictive than other over-the-counter options. This little hormone produced in your brain offers up some fantastic therapeutic benefits that will go, beyond regulating when you go to bed. And in today's video, I'll explain melatonin, how it affects your skin restoration process every single night. Hi, I'm Yurnay Martins from Beauty by Code. Welcome to my channel. So, melatonin is a potent antioxidant. Years of research show that it can also make a pretty dramatic impact as an anti-aging. It can help you if you suffer from hair loss, and it can even protect you from sun damage. It's a miracle. So, getting enough beauty sleep is a real thing. Every night when you go to bed, your whole body gets a chance to rest and repair itself. Melatonin is an hormone that kicks into high gear a few hours before bedtime, and it's triggered by the changing light patterns during the day. That's why doctors recommend shutting down your devices a few hours before bed, because the artificial blue light may trick your brain into believing that we're still during the day, and that can be detrimental to your sleeping or schedule or cycle. As we age, our melatonin levels slowly dip. There are many things that start dipping as we age, but anyway, as we age, our melatonin levels go down, and a lot of people find themselves taking supplements. When you finally shut down for the night, your cells go into repair mode. And this shift from, protecting you all day to restoring you all night, is that will give you that fresh glow you hope for in the morning when you wake up. Now, as your melatonin levels rise, they provide the antioxidant process that will help your body and your skin fight free radicals and sun damage. Melatonin is also known to speed up your skin regeneration. There is a big difference though between taking a supplement, a melatonin supplement to fall asleep, and including this hormone in your nightly skincare routine. Two separate things. I would say that it is way more effective for your skin if you apply melatonin via a serum, a moisturizer, or even a mask. With a topical application, melatonin will activate antioxidant enzymes that will repair the damage. By using melatonin at night, when your skin is already correcting itself and your stress levels are low, you are giving your body an extra weapon to start fighting fine lines, wrinkles, and even dehydration. Now, I should mention here that even though one of the jobs of melatonin is to help you, protect you from sun damage, it does not replace daily sunscreen. If the best makeup is a healthy, beautiful skin, then the best shield against damage, it's a lightweight but strong SPF. Listen, when you use a great sunscreen with a supplement of melatonin, your skin is extremely well protected from UV damage. Important, when you add melatonin to your skin, that may impact the pigment, the coloration. It will make it darker, not brighter. So if you are currently dealing with hyperpigmentation, age spots, or if you want to even out, to even your skin tone, I would say do a test first before putting it on your face. Now, with all the benefits melatonin has on your skin, we can wonder if it has the same restorative properties and if it can help you with hair loss, and the answer is, of course. Up to 40% of women will experience hair loss by the time they turn 40, and I am experiencing hair loss, in my hairline now that I'm in my 40s, and it's annoying. Okay, hair loss, whether it is genetic, my mom has the same issue, or hormone related, losing hair, it's a pain in the neck, and it can be traumatic for some people, right, depending on the pattern and how much, right, like the quantity of hair that you are losing. Okay, so how does melatonin help with hair loss? Well, believe it or not, there are many melatonin receptors right into your hair follicles. Like many other antioxidants, melatonin fights stress on a cellular level, and that will prevent your hair from falling out. It can also stimulate hair growth and make your hair grow faster. Some studies suggest that applying melatonin directly right on your scalp once a day will enhance your hair density, meaning that you are going to have like a fuller, thicker head of hair. It is not a magic potion. There are using melatonin has a fewer side effects than other prescription options for your hair because it's natural, but it's a hormone. A hormone, it's a hormone, and melatonin, it's a hormone. You know what? I think that I should make a video with an endocrinologist. I'm always very careful when it comes to hormones. Supplements, creams, replacement hormones, bioidentical, you name it. You have to be very careful, right? I believe that when hormones are out of balance, we kind of deregulate the whole system. So, be careful. And let me know if you want to learn more about hormones and how we can use them to level up our beauty game. I think that I would like to talk to an endocrinologist. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you would like me to do, and I will do it. Now, with so many products out there in the market, finding a suitable clean beauty option for you can be tricky, but here I am. I have figured this out for you, and I have some options. First up is Melatonin Overnight Recovery Anti-Aging Night Serum. So it is a bit pricey, but it's packed with melatonin and other antioxidants like bakuchiol, vitamin C. So this is going to repair your skin damage. It will increase the elasticity, and of course it will help you reduce wrinkles. This is a non-comedogenic option, so it will not clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Next up, it's a much more affordable option, a nighttime lotion by Asutra, which is co-owned by not Serena but Venus Williams, and it's made with sweet almond oil, shea butter, melatonin, and it's infused with magnesium, which helps reduce muscle cramps and joint pains. It's of course non-toxic and paraben-free. I would say that this product is more for people with dry skin type, and it's only $20. Who knew that a little hormone like melatonin was so powerful and that could help you change your beauty game? Now what? Go to my website beautybycode.com and take the quiz. You're going to find out which acid is best suited for your unique skin type. Listen, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Leave a comment below, like, share, subscribe. It's important, and I talk to you soon. Bye for now.